What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Chris here at Colorado South Farm. Well, guys, we've been pretty bad about taking the camera with us the last few days. We have gotten quite a bit done. Actually, the big project has been, if you see here, we finally trenched in 220 to go out to the barn. So we borrowed our buddy Maya's small, he's got a small 4410 John Deere with a backhoe. So we borrowed that to dig the trench, and we got it all dug and laid in some wire and got it all set. Now we just got to set up the sub panel in the shop and wire it into the main panel, and we should be good to go. We are still waiting on the power company. The electricians came and set everything up to upgrade the service, but the power company has not yet come. So we're waiting on that, but that's what we've been kind of working on this weekend. Got most of that done. Got some mowing done in the field, but you know, we've been kind of doing a lot of little knick-knack projects, little this, that, and the other thing. Nothing too huge. But today we are actually working on building a second chicken tractor. So I've got most all the wood cut, and I'm just going to assemble it now. So I figured I'd throw you guys on a time lapse while we do a real quick down and dirty chicken tractor with mostly just scrap wood and offcuts that we had from the sawmill. So yeah, anyway, guys, I'll throw in a time lapse and we'll get this done.
All right.
All right, guys, well, that pretty much wraps up most of it. I have to run out and grab some hinges and a couple of clasps, and we'll make a quick top door. And then we do have part of a tarp in there, so we'll cover this back area here with a tarp, and that should be good. We did change the design a little bit on this one. Instead of going 3 foot high, I went 2 foot high, just to make it easier to get in and out of. That one I made 3 foot high because I knew we were going to use it for some of the layers, and they tend to fly a lot more than the meat birds, so having the extra height helps. But this one we made 2 foot, and basically it's just all scrap wood that we had kicking around. So anyway, guys, we're going to run out and going to grab the supplies we need and pick up the kids at school, and hopefully get this finished up and get the chickens in it. All right, guys, well, we're back from the store, and we did made a quick door, grabbed our hinges, made a quick door, couple of latches here, and we just threw the leftover piece of tarp on the top. I'm not going to do the roofing material this time. This is kind of a quick and dirty one, so this should be sufficient for the birds for a while. So anyway, we're going to get this out on the field, and then we'll get the big meat birds and 2 of the bigger layers and get them in this out on the field. All right, guys, so we got the chicken tractor out there, and now we're going to get our meat birds and the 2 layers in this brooder out. Because we have, these guys are getting big enough, we got to separate them because there's 20 in that one and really shouldn't be more than 10, and they're getting big now, so it's definitely time to make a move. I'm gonna get my gloves. What's up, guys? These are all roosters, and they are pecking at me. Not that it hurts overly much, but I don't like it. So I'm gonna grab these guys. Well, you guys stay put. You're all right. You're all right. It's only going to be for 5 minutes. Gotta be careful because the barred rocks we have in here tend to fly out. They've actually escaped a few times when we've been. Easy, 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 easy. It's okay, you're going to a nice new home. You're gonna like it. You're gonna like it. Oh. Easy. Easy. All right. So we're gonna get these guys out, get them in the tractor. All right, guys, so here they are up in the tractor on the field. We've got their old water in here. I definitely have to get a bigger, probably a 3-gallon one like I use for the other birds, and a feeder trough. The little feeder I have won't work, so probably be running down to Tractor Supply to grab those, and they'll be set, and then I can clean out that brooder and move half of the meat chicks in the other brooder over and split them up a little so they have more space. So anyway, guys, I think that's going to end this one here. It's kind of what we've been up to lately. A lot of stuff for the chickens. Tree planting's basically done. I do have a few trees extra down there that I will try to get in the ground. Not exactly sure I'm going to put them. I might interplant for some that are looking bad. We'll see. But other than that, we're getting back to working on the sawmill a little bit, and gonna get some of this pasture cleared. So anyway, guys, like I like to say, if you like these videos, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think. And just remember, it'll be all right.